tingin kita.
And the journey continues. We drove more than 2 hours south and we saw sheep and cows scattered along the green farms. The view was spectacular. We decided to stop by at a farm called Nevalea Alpacas on our way to another town. The farm has over 700 alpacas alongside sheep and cattle in the hills of Taumarunui. There are many activities with the alpacas with different price range, and we decided to try the alpaca encounter for the price of 25 New Zealand dollar per person. We are given a chance to take an alpaca for a short walk, feed the alpacas and meet the baby alpacas. The experience with the alpacas are new to us. We left the farm late evening and drove about 15 minutes to a small town called Taumarunui. Taumarunui is a small town in the King Country of the central of North Island of New Zealand with the population of 4,500. This town sits on the Adventure Highway, which is State Highway number 4, and starts the Forgotten World Highway, which will be in my next vlog. We stayed in Kelly's Riverside Motel, and let me show you the room tour.
Shower.